Hey, this is Dustin with Discount Garage Door. Today we're going to be taking down an old garage door opener and putting up a new garage door opener. Shouldn't take very long, probably about 30 to 45 minutes. Do not attempt to do this yourself. Call Discount Garage Door and we'll come take care of it for you. As you can see, this is the finished product of the new garage door opener being installed. Please call Discount Garage Door for all your garage door or garage door opener needs. We appreciate your business.